It is currently at 4 in the morning, and I am starving. So I'm gonna have a piece of chocolate. You gotta simmer. So I'm gonna have a little piece of chocolate. But I am starving. Yeah. Struggles with that. What, bro? What, bro? Good morning. It's time for bed, bro. All right, so it's Wednesday. Shay and I are out here getting our steps in. I've got my vest. Got 15 in the front and 15 in the back, I'm pretty sure. It's either 15 or 20 in the front and 20 in the back. Making it 30 or 40 pounds. I've got chest today. Yeah. We'll get with you guys after. I've got a few things I gotta do before I hit chest, but yeah, let's get it. All right, so we just got done with our walk. We just weighed in. Shay has been maintaining. I weighed in at 176 and a half. And yeah, so now we're gonna go clean the steakhouse and probably do some stuff to a couple of the hotel rooms, and then I'll hit the gym, and then we have work tonight. So we just got done doing some stuff in a hotel room. Now I'm going to go check the pool, and I'm gonna go home, eat some lunch, and then go to the gym. And yeah, that's really all we're doing. Shay and I have been spending a lot of time getting ready for hunting season. We've got a second season bull elk tags in Colorado, so we've been spending a lot of time getting prepared for that. We're really excited. Not too sure where we're going yet. I don't know. Yeah, we're not sure at all where we're going. But I really like to go, and this is her first year, so she's really excited. But yeah, we've been spending a lot of time getting gear together, getting our rifles sighted in. She's going to be using my Savage 110 Ultralight and 6.5 Creedmoor. I did get some of the issue with my 300 PRC, that Bergara that I have, figured out. I reached out to them, and what they ended up saying was, check your scope, check the torque on your action, just check everything, make sure everything's torqued down correctly, which I did. That didn't seem to help. I reached out again. They're like, what about ammo? I said, I've tried several different types of ammo. Next recommendation was hey, take the muzzle brake off. Took the muzzle brake off. First group without the muzzle brake, it's like 1.25 inches, but that's a huge improvement over 2.5, 3 inches. And then the second group without the muzzle brake, 1/4 inch, all day long. I was very impressed, very excited about that. It was probably, it wasn't 1/4 inch, it was probably 1/2 inch or better. I'll put some photos of the bad groups and the good group. Muzzle brake versus after taking the muzzle brake off. We're getting ready for the gym. I have never had the Ghost Cherry Limeade. We're gonna do a taste test. Oh shit, it's all shaken up. It's pretty tasty. 2 grams carbs. No protein. How much caffeine? 200 milli-vanillis of caffeine. It's pretty tasty. It's not as good as the Rise Pre, but it'll buff. There's an ashtray. She's got a name because she's gray. She's a shithead. We need to get some ashtray, some drip. Somebody order a chain. Hey, chill. Simmer, brother. But yeah, this be ashtray. I feel like the tiger whisper with you. Not much left in there. But you got perfect. Gotta get a better pump, folks. Oh shit. I saw that coming. Yeah. Give it a good little swirl. Oh, that's better. It's a little flat now. Better buff. All right, so we just pulled up to the gym. Gonna hit a quick chest day. Yeah, let's hop straight into this edit. Gonna get a juicy pump. As always, this is where muscle meets mayhem, baby.
Supreme ruler. God is king. Let's talk about chemistry. I'm dying to melt through to the heart of the molecules, till the particles part like holy water. If anything, she's an undiscovered element, either born in hell or heaven sent. Either way,
I've got a lot on my mind right now. Shay and I have been looking at buying a razor, and we're trying to decide if it's worth it, if we'd use it, which I know we'd use it. It's a matter of, is it gonna bite us in the ass because it's gonna blow up, or what? And I mean, this goes back to the hunting gear. We wanna use it for hunting. We know razors are kind of loud, but this is just the trail edition. It's not like the Turbo XP. Whew. I'm getting torched. Getting hella torched. After these tricep pushdowns. I learned this from Jerry and watching Sam Sulik. Saw in his video doing it with the abductor machine. And it works really good since we don't have a great cable machine yet. Oh man, this workout's good. I'm feeling it. I kind of pushed a little heavier weight today on the bench than I normally would. On this, I've got 45, so 90, 70, and 50. So you do the math, I don't know what it is, but let's get into this next set. What do you guys think? Should I buy a razor and do a video on it? Maybe do a few upgrades before hunting season, the end of October? Would you guys like to see a hunting vlog at the end of October or beginning of November when I get it edited and put out? Let me know, because that's something I can definitely do. Something I'd definitely be interested in doing if You guys would entertain it. Anyways, let's get this shit. Off topic, but what do you guys think of the new Toyota Tundras? I really kind of fuck with them. I really like them. Let me know in the comments. But more of a diesel guy. If they made them in a diesel, I might have one. So we just got done at the steakhouse. It was so slow. I was gonna put it on time lapse, my phone up on a time lapse and film the shift, but it was super slow. It wasn't worth it. So here we are. I am short a few steps, so we're gonna take our dogs for a walk. I kind of figured that we'd be a little busier and that I'd get my steps in, but I did not. So we're gonna go for a short walk and then probably come home and watch our show. Currently we've been streaming From on Amazon. The first season is kind of cringy because the acting isn't very good, but I definitely recommend checking it out if you guys are looking for something to watch. Season 2 and Season 3 are better.